Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video of what really grinds my gears, we're talking about giving women credit where credit is due. Okay, give the women their medals. That's all I'm saying. It really gets me upset when a woman does something and she can never take credit for it, or people never seem to want to give them, as if a woman is not capable of doing certain things. Now, we would gladly go without it being mentioned and without you having to come say, "Oh, Kanima, you did a good job of taking care of yourself." We would let that go. What I wouldn't let go is when people decide to say, "Oh my God, this girl got a man that really got her looking good." You know what I mean? I got myself looking good. I hate it when people always say some guy is taking good care of you. And if the woman is looking bad, suddenly they say, why she got herself looking like that? Why she doing herself so? It's never, what is this man doing to make this woman feel this way? What is this man doing to make this woman look this way? They don't give him credit then. All the blame goes to the woman because now she's looking bad according to society. But if she look good, ooh, this man got she looking good. And let's talk about when you flip it around. What about if you have a husband or a boyfriend? He looks bad according to society. He's overweight, he's not dressing right, he's not keeping himself looking the way that, according to society is presentable, is good. Who did they put that on? The woman. Why you got your husband looking like that? Girl, is what you feeding he? Why you ain't talking to him about his health? You got to tell him. Ain't that a grown man? I beg you. Ain't that a grown man? But when the man look good, what you say? Boy. I like the way you're treating yourself, man. They don't say, girl, you got that man looking good. You feeding him the good food. No. But when he looks bad, it's the woman's fault. And when the woman is looking good, it's the man's fault because only a man could make her look good. Only this man can do this for her. Shut up. Shut up. That's what really grinds my gears. Give women their credit where it's due. I take care of myself. I got myself looking good. Now if the man come in and he paid for me to get my nails done, okay then. Okay? Now if he's doing a whole lot more, as he's checking off the boxes to take me to my dental appointment, my doctor's appointment, my hair appointment, my nail appointment, and he's standing there and he's doing my makeup, then he got me looking good. Come back and talk to me then. But until then, shut up and come and give me my medals. Because I don't need no man to make me look good. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. This is what really grinds my gears. Peace out.